Alright, this is a video on a very common issue on Chevy trucks. Like through the 90s, 2000, like Chevy Blazers. The hinge bushings wearing out. But this one, as you can see, it didn't get replaced for a while. And the hole got really wide. I haven't found any solutions besides getting the new brackets on here. But I did find some bushings that are oversized. This one's oversized by 0.020, and this one is by 0.010. So I'll post a link to them. I'm about to try them out right now. I'm about to install them because I was installing the other ones, but you know the hole's too big, so they just break off easily. So let me put them on, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so I took the old ones off. You can see how worn out the hole is, especially that bottom one. This is the other one. This one isn't as bad. So I'm about to take a chance. First, I'm probably try these the 0.010s. Just so in case it's this one, I can return this one back, as they are $30 for each of these kids. So let's just see what happens right now. All right, so I got the new bushings installed, top and bottom. That one just got go up a little bit, but it's on there pretty tight. And down here, alright, so let's see. Door's a lot straighter. Just gotta adjust this latch because it broke from those sagging so much, but now door does not drop. So we'll see how long these last. These are an alternative solution, especially for the holes. They are ovaled out. So I'll link them in the description. Just comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. Just comment if this has happened to you and what have you tried before. And then I'll post an update. I'll probably give it like a week or two. We'll see how it goes.